Welcome to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Rika, and today we're discussing if a mother can cancel child support in Texas. In Texas, child support is an obligation meant to ensure the financial well-being of a child. Many parents wonder if a mother can cancel child support, especially if the parents reconcile, the financial situation changes, or the paying parent wants to take on a more active role. However, once a child support order is in place, canceling it is not as simple as one parent deciding they no longer want to receive payments. In most cases, child support can only be modified or terminated through the court system. A mother cannot unilaterally cancel child support, even if she no longer wishes to receive payments. The court considers child support as the child's right, not the parent's, meaning the obligation remains in place unless a judge determines it should be changed or ended. The paying parent must file a formal request for modification or termination, and the court will evaluate whether there has been a substantial change in circumstances that justifies the request. There are certain situations where child support may be terminated. For example, child support obligations typically end when the child turns 18 or graduates from high school, whichever happens later. Additionally, if the paying parent's parental rights are terminated, whether voluntarily or involuntarily, child support obligations may also cease. In rare cases, if the child becomes legally emancipated before turning 18, the court may also end the obligation. If both parents agree that child support is no longer necessary, they must still go through the legal process to modify or terminate the existing order. Simply stopping payments without court approval can lead to serious legal consequences, including wage garnishment, license suspension, and other enforcement actions that are filed by the Texas Attorney General's office. If you believe that your child support order needs to be modified or terminated, consulting with a qualified Texas family attorney is crucial. An attorney can help you navigate the legal process, present your case to the court, and ensure that any changes comply with Texas law. Don't risk legal consequences. Get professional guidance today, and we will see you in the next video.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.